In today's video, we are going to be trying the Asub skinny tumblers. These are a new product that are going to be for pre-order. So if you want to see how well these subbed, just keep watching. If you're new to my channel, my name is Leslie. My channel is all about crafting down the budget. I do sublimation and sewing videos. If any of those things interest you, please consider subscribing, joining my YouTube family, and let's jump into this video. So these tumblers are for pre-order. They come in a 4-pack. They're 20-ounce straight tumblers. And let's open them up so you can see what they come with. They come with 4 straws and the brushes to clean them. These are curved straws. They're not, I feel like a lot of the tumblers come with just straight straws. These are curved at the top. And they're individually packaged. These come inside. These are like a gift set. So they come already packaged. Look how cute this box is. Like, it literally just looks like a gift. And inside, you just have your tumbler packaged in this really nice thick plastic bag. And this is how the tumbler looks. How the lid looks. And this one is a bit taller than the HTV Runt tumblers. So they're both 20-ounce tumblers, but this one is a bit taller than that one. So it's so nice that it comes in this box because it's ready to gift. You know, like, it literally looks like a gift. So inside this box, you also get a piece of paper. I'm dropping stuff, y'all. You also get a piece of paper that has step-by-step instructions on how to prepare your tumbler, how to sub it if you're using a mug press, how to sub it if you're using a convention oven. And then it also comes with some shrink wrap. So if you're using a convention oven, you can use the shrink wrap. But it also comes with a roll of heat tape. I put it on my heat tape dispenser, but it does come with a roll of heat tape, which is really, really nice. And again, this is a 4-pack. So let's try these out and see how well they sub. So all you're gonna need is your tumbler, your design, some butcher paper, heat tape, your mug press, and some heat gloves. You're gonna want heat gloves because this is metal and it's gonna be really, really hot. Start off by taking out your tumbler. It comes in this really cute box that looks like a little gift. And then it has this nice thick plastic on it. Now you want to make sure you take out your lid because this is plastic. You don't want to be putting heat on that. And you want to make sure you clean the outside of your tumbler. Once you have cleaned it, you want to then trim your design. Trim one side of your design, not both, just one side. I find it easier to put my design like this with the trimmed edge there. Take the tumbler, line it up somewhere like in the middle. And then I'm gonna bring this in. You wanna make sure you're lining it up on top and bottom. And you wanna hold it super tight. You don't want any air bubbles. And then I'm gonna bring in my other side. Super tight, I'm pulling it, making sure it's super tight. Just like that. Then I'm going to, you want to just look and make sure that your tumbler, the design is meeting it and that you won't have any white spots on both top and bottom. Then you want to take your heat tape, and you're going to tape along the seam. The tumblers come with heat tape again, so you can use that. Make sure you're still holding your paper pretty tight. Just like that. And then I personally like to take my heat tape and I'm going to fold in this top. And I'm gonna do that all the way around. You want to make sure that there's no creases in it, or else that's gonna make for an uneven press, trust me. And then I'm gonna turn it and I'm gonna do the same thing to the bottom and do it like this as well, like putting it horizontally, but you gotta make sure that you're like really, because if you have something like a crease like that, it's gonna affect it, or at least it has in my experience. So we'll tape it all the way around. So now that you have your seam all taped up, you can either take your butcher paper and tape it to it, or you can just take it all like this to your mug press. I wanted to mention that my design is 9.323 by 8.3. But the instructions does say that you can make it A4 and it should fit A4 size and it should fit perfectly. So now we're gonna take it to our mug press. Instructions say to heat up your heat press to 365 degrees Fahrenheit or 185 Celsius for 150 seconds, but I am gonna do 334 degrees Fahrenheit for 50 seconds. So I'm gonna take my butcher paper and the tumbler with my seam facing up. My seam is gonna be my guide as I do this. I'm gonna slide it in. And I'm going to first do it with my seam facing up for 50 seconds. When it's done, I'm gonna open it. And then I'm going to rotate it and put my seam that way, in the middle of that way. And I'm gonna press for another 50 seconds. When that is done, I'm gonna open it. And then now I'm gonna rotate my seam facing down. And again, I'm gonna do another 50 seconds. Then we're gonna open it and we're gonna flip our seam to be this way now, to be this way. I'm just rotating it. I want you to see, I'm just rotating it. So now I'm just gonna open it. I'm just gonna do one more press with it on top. Okay, so now we're gonna take it out and we're gonna take it over to our workstation. Make sure you're using heat gloves because it's gonna be really, really hot. So you can take some tweezers or something to help you take off the tape if you want. But you want to take out the tape in the seam. And then you should be able to start just opening it. And just rip it. How beautiful that is. Then you can just put on the lid on. If you're gifting it to someone, you can just put it back in the plastic. and then back in the box. And then what I like to do is take the straw that it comes with, because this is not gonna fit. Well, this one might fit in here. Let's see. I'm pretty sure. Oh, no, see. Well, it kind of fits in there. But normally if it doesn't fit, what I like to do is just take a little piece of tape. And you can kind of just tape this to the back of it. Just like that. And now you have a cute little gift for someone, and you don't even have to wrap it. Like, it looks like a gift already. So cute. So they turned out super cute. Subbed super well. Colors are nice. Love, love, love. I also did, so this is the one you just saw me film, but I also did another one. This was my tester, like, and look at those colors. Like, so beautiful. The camera just does not do it justice. These are great. I'm gonna have these linked down below for you guys. They are awesome. I love them. Great, great, great. I love the packaging and how cute it is. Literally looks like a gift. I love that. So if you want to try these out, I'll have these down below. They're for pre-order. Again, Asub is no longer just paper. I don't know if I mentioned that I did use Asub sublimation paper to press these, but I'll have these linked down below for you guys. I hope this video was helpful, and comment down below what you thought about the tumblers and if you're gonna try them out. Again, I'll have these linked for you, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.